morning, you lovely lot. How's it going? It is Wednesday and today is a worky day. I've got a lot to do and not a lot of time to do it. So, where's my coffee? So this vlog is sponsored by coffee and also GlossyBox. Excitingly, I've got something exciting to show you. First, I need some breakfast. I need to film a haul video. I need to clean my kitchen. It's a lot. I've got a lot to do today, but it's okay. It's fine. I'm fine. But I'm gonna play some music and dance around my kitchen while I make my breakfast. That's my favorite thing to do in the morning. I feel like if you start your day off with your favorite music and a dance, it just sets your day off right. I dance in my kitchen all the time, so that's what I'm gonna do. Chuck on a little bit of makeup really fast. I've got quite a lot of work on at the minute, which obviously is amazing from a work point of view, but I only have a week and I've got quite a lot of sponsored content to shoot as well as pre-filming, so I'm just literally throwing on the fastest makeup ever because Tim's on his way over. He's kindly gonna help me take some pictures, so I just feel like if I can get all of my sponsored content kind of done and dusted today and tomorrow, then I have a few days to really focus on pre-filming and editing. So is this my shade right now? Ooh. Now obviously for me the non-sponsored stuff is equally as important, but I kind of have to prioritize the stuff where I'm collaborating with brands because I get in trouble if it doesn't get done. Oh my god, I forgot how much I like this foundation. It's the Hourglass Vanish Stick. I've not used this in ages, but I am just going to spritz my face. It's a little bit dry. It's a little bit light for me, but oh my god, I forgot how beautiful this foundation is. Such a good coverage. I need to wear this more often. I wasn't a huge fan of the liquid foundation that they brought out. I'm editing the first travel vlog today. I'm starting on Colombia and it is literally making me so happy and so sad all at the same time, especially on days like today when I'm a little bit stressed out and I'm like, oh, I wish I was just back in Colombia. I'm gonna be off again soon. Very, very, very soon. I'm not complaining. I absolutely love my job, so I'm also not complaining about that. But I've definitely got a little bit of the case of the old holiday blues, you could say. I'm gonna finish my face and then hopefully Tim will be here. I don't actually know where he is. He's running late. But that's fine because obviously so am I. much better. Okay, so this next section of the vlog is actually sponsored by GlossyBox. I am sure that a lot of you guys have already heard of GlossyBox. It's a subscription service which I've actually in the past paid my own money for. Back when I was at school, I used to have a GlossyBox subscription, so the fact that I'm working with them, it's kind of full circle. It's pretty cool. Let me just move my lunch out of the way. So GlossyBox is a monthly subscription and it comes filled with beauty products. So it could be hair care, makeup, skincare, fragrance, like loads of different things, and each box comes to over a value of £50. Now if you use my discount code, which I have put on the screen here, each month it's only £7. So £7 for well over £50 worth of product is a really, really affordable way to treat yourself every month. Or you could get it for a friend or a family member. You can just buy the 1 month if you have seen the box and you're interested, or you just want to try it out. You can buy 3 months if you wanted to get it for a gift or something for somebody, 6 months, and also 12 months. You know, you can bulk buy it for the whole year and then you know it's coming every single month and you can really look forward to it. Or yeah, like I say, you could treat someone else to like a 6-month subscription. And also it's a little bit cheaper if you bulk buy. So if you want to save even more money, then that could be a good way to go for you. But today specifically, I'm talking about something really exciting, which might seem a little bit early, but I'm excited. This arrived for me in the mail yesterday. This is GlossyBox's 2019 advent calendar. I know. We're only just starting to peek into autumn, but this is the kind of thing that you need to buy early on because advent calendars are huge these days and they sell out fast. They're kind of coveted things. So I thought I'd jump in early and show you guys this one. So again, you can use my discount code for this and it makes it £10 cheaper. If you're a subscriber to GlossyBox, this would be £70, and if you're a non-subscriber, it would be £80. So I thought I would open one day with you to give you an example of the kind of thing that you can get. So it says, it's the season to be glossy. Look at how satisfying that is. I'm gonna open day 1 because it looks like a big one. Is this the Warm Neutrals? I actually already have this. It is the NYX Warm Neutrals palette. It is one of my absolute favorite drugstore palettes. I used to use this all the time. And this, I swear, is like, let me see how much this costs on its own. This retails for £16 on its own, and there's 25 doors on this advent calendar. So this is a significant chunk of the price already. So that's a pretty good deal. So if you're someone like me and you're an early bird when it comes to Christmas shopping, so you've got someone that you want to treat, like your mum or your sister or whoever you think would be interested in all of these beauty products, this would be such a nice way to start their December and start them feeling really festive, treating them every single day up until Christmas. So I will leave this link down below for you guys if you want to check it out. I would also recommend checking out all their social channels because they're really aesthetically pleasing and it gives you a little bit more information about the products every month and all of that good stuff. Okay, I'll open one more door. I'm so bad, it's like Christmas. Number 2. Ooh, oh my god, it's Chloe's new fragrance Nomad. I've actually been wanting to try this. You guys know I love Chloe. Look at that bottle. Oh, let's give it a sniff. Oh, that's nice. Okay, so if you want this perfume, I'm really excited about that. That's going in my bag. That's straight in my handbag. I've just had a look and the value of this advent calendar is £370. Wow. If you're a subscriber, this will be available on the 6th of September, and for non-subscribers, it's the 27th of September. So get on it quick, guys. Okay, I'm gonna get on with the rest of my day now. It is lunchtime. Tim is still not here. I don't know where he is. So I'm gonna make myself some lunch. I think I just want a smoothie, like a really good chocolate and banana smoothie. That sounds pretty good to me right now. As much as I love the sun, this lighting's really not doing it for me. Chocolate hazelnut protein powder.
I want to be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my head down if I won.
Oh my god, the bottom of my freezer is full of spinach because the bag is completely torn open. I'm gonna have to transfer my spinach.
You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly, baby, dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off if I want. Let yourself be free and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it. You can do better.
My ASOS parcel just arrived. That's a way to make a very stressful day a little bit less stressful. I'm gonna give you a little sneak peek because I am gonna be filming an ASOS haul tomorrow, but we've got some colour. Quite a lot of colour. We've got a little bit of sexy. Very excited. These colours. Oh, this is either gonna look amazing or terrible, and I can't wait to find out. Cannot wait. Yay, yay, yay. That's my fun break. Back to work. Clearly someone is not sticking to my tight schedule today. I've just put on my blue dress because I need Tim to shoot me wearing it for a thumbnail. I'm gonna have to see whether this looks good without his help. Tim, here will do. Do I go for the yellow or do I go? This is literally how I plan my outfit. These ones. Yellow's fun, but realistically, that's more me. I need a picture here. Having the rest of the green smoothie because I ended up accidentally making a double. I thought it was for one. Is it nice?
It's very nice.
It's actually, do you actually like it?
There's a slight bitterness to it in the end, which I don't like a lot, but everything else is nice.
I don't know what that is. I tasted too. I think it might have been how much spinach I put in.
Maybe. What is in it again? Nutella, banana?
No, there's no Nutella.
You said Nutella smoothie?
Yeah.
Oh, it just tastes like Nutella.
Yeah.
Kind of see that? Is there hazelnut in it?
It's hazelnut, chocolate, protein powder, a banana, mango, pineapple, half an apple, chia seeds and almond milk.
Maybe the chia seeds.
And a shit ton of spinach.
Maybe, yeah. Well, I mean, it's still good. It, like, if it means you put in more of the healthy stuff to make it taste like this, then that's fine.
I guess it was kind of my lunch.
Cheers.
Cheers. Tim and I are going to be shooting all day, so I think I may end the vlog here. Sorry it's been quite a short one, but I wanted to do just like a typical worky day vlog. I just happened to choose a day where I have too much on to actually end up vlogging. Tim and I are also going to do a little bit of ordering for our trip because we leave in less than a week.
A week tomorrow.
I'm so excited. Don't get me wrong, the second I'm on that flight I'm not even going to think about work for 6 weeks, but this week is gonna be absolutely, it's carnage. It's absolute carnage. I'm gonna end it here. Tim's gonna help me. Oh, you too. Thank you. He's also made me a tea. Yes. In a a mug. I actually haven't plugged my mugs in a long time. If you would like to pick up some merch, I have got 3 mugs. I'm a mug. Do I get the full repertoire out? I think I might. My hot beverage of choice. Everyone's favourite. The mug of positivity. Tea, get it? If you want to pick one of those up.
I look awfully weird in the back. I'm downloading Monzo.
He's downloading Monzo.
I'm not being antisocial.
He's also being antisocial. But just so you know, if you order them, they aren't going to arrive until after I get back from my trip. So maybe don't order them yet, but I recommend them for Christmas presents and stocking fillers. So cheers to that. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Tim.
Oh, see ya.
Bye.